Okay, we'll do that one. Apparently Sarah tells me this is the... What is this place called?
Is this beautiful day?
Maybe we should... Maybe it's bad luck to say it. Anyway, this song is maybe appropriate for where we are, but I don't want to go anywhere, I want to stay. So if you know this one, please sing it with me. Sometimes I forget the words. To set me free. Nobody writes them like they used to, so it may as well be me. Here am I old now after hours. Here am I old now omnibus. Think of it this way, we could be the pieces successful on me us. With all winning smiles and eyes, with all catching dreams of us. Stand a chance. Oh, sometimes we're so sorry. I'm a boy who's just so mean. Although it's loving and believing everyone, you're so naive. They always reach a sorry ending. They always get it in the end. Still it was nothing as I turned the pages solemnly, and then with a winning smile when naivety succeeds, another final moment I cry. I always cry. Sitting free, falling apart the lonely tenement. Set my mind to wander to the windows of my lovers. They never know unless I write. This is no declaration, I just thought